We discussed the real implementation of the quantum well, that is the electron confinement in infinitely deep square well, that is the particle in a box. Consider a free particle of mass m confined to move in one dimensional rectangular box of length l, that is the particle move along straight line say along x axis. हमने एक फ्री पार्टिकल है वो कंसीडर कर लिया जिसका मास है वो कितना है m है और वो कन्फाइंड है, वो वन डायमेंशनल रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स ऑफ लेंथ एल के अंदर है, वो मूव कर सकता है, दैट इज़ पार्टिकल है वो मूव करेगा अलोंग द स्ट्रेट लाइन से अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस. लेट द वॉल ऑफ द बॉक्स हैं वो रिजिड हैं, इलास्टिक हैं एंड नॉन पेनिट्रेटिंग हैं. A particle can travel along x-axis between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to L. And now the potential V है वो define है as Vx is equals to 0 for 0 to x to L and that is जो potential है वो 0 है in between the box and जो potential है वो infinity है outside the box. Now classical view. Classically a particle can have any energy of value E. Classically जो particle है उसके पास जो energy की value है वो कितनी है E है. If E is equals to 0, अगर energy 0 है that means particle है वो rest के ऊपर है inside the box and if E greater than 0 है तो जो particle है वो move करेगा along the x axis and at x is equals to 0 and x is equals to L के ऊपर वो एक force experience करेगा, that is F इज इक्वल्स टू में माइनस डी वी बाई डी एक्स. सिंस जो पोटेंशियल है आउटसाइड द बॉक्स इज इन्फिनिटी सो फोर्स इज़ द इन्फिनिटी, दैट इज़ दिस फोर्स है वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन के अंदर है और वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा पार्टिकल को बैक फ्रॉम द वॉल्स एंड पार्टिकल मोर बैक एंड फोर्थ अलोंग द एंड द पार्टिकल है वो मूव करेगा बैक एंड फोर्थ अलोंग द एक्स एक्सिस. नाउ द क्वांटम मैकेनिकल व्यू. द शेरोडिंगर इक्वेशन ऑफ पार्टिकल मूव अलोंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल फील्ड इज गिवन एज डी टू साई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस में 2m बाई एच कट स्क्वायर ई माइनस वी साई इज इक्वल्स टू 0. अब for a particle inside the well we have the potential V is equals to 0, so the above equation becomes d2 psi by dx square plus 2m e by h cut square psi is equals to 0 by putting V is equals to 0, or d2 psi by dx square plus k square psi is equals to 0, we put the 2m e by h cut square is equals to k square. Now the general solution of the equation second is psi x is equals to में a e iota kx plus में b e raised to power minus iota kx, where a b are the arbitrary constant to be determined by the boundary conditions psi is equals to 0 at x is equals to 0 and x is equals to L. नाउ एट x इज इक्वल्स टू 0 साई वेव फंक्शन है वो 0 है, दैन इक्वेशन 4 है बिकम्स a प्लस b इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड b इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस a. पुट दिस वैल्यू in the solution, that is the in equation 4 we have wave function is a e iota kx minus a e minus iota kx. Multiply and divided by 2 iota we have 2 iota a e raised to power iota kx minus e raised to power minus iota kx by में 2 iota, and where as we know we have sin x is equals to में e raised to power iota x प्लस में e raised to power minus iota x divided by में 2 iota. So we have sin x is equals to में 2 iota a sin kx. This term is sin kx. Or c is equals to sin kx where c is equals to में 2 iota a. At x is equals to L at the second boundary wave function is 0. So we have 0 is equals to में c sin kl, that is this, and sin kl is 0, that means sin kl is equals to में sin n pi and kl is equals to में n pi where n is equals to में 0 1 2 3 और k is equals to में n pi by l and k square is equals to में n square pi square by l square. Using equation 3 and 7 we have we put the k square is equals to 2me by h cut square. So equating both the equation, we have 2me by h cut square is equals to n square pi square by l square, and E is equals to n square pi square h cut square divided by 2ml square. N is the quantum number. E depends on n because all the other terms are the constants, so E depends on the n. And En is equals to n square pi square h cut square by 2ml square. From this equation we can conclude En is directly proportional to n square. Second, En is inversely proportional to 1 by l square, and En is inversely proportional to the mass of the particle. Now the energy level diagram. For n is equals to n, 1 value of En है वो minimum होगी. So put the value n is equals to 1 in this equation. We get E1 is equals to pi square h cut square upon 2ml square. This is called the ground level energy, and state is called the ground state energy. Corresponding to the higher state is called excited energy, and states are the excited states. When we put n is equals to 2, we get E2 is equals to 4 pi h cut square 2ml square is equals to 4 E1, because E1 has the value pi square h cut square divided by 2ml square. Similarly, E3 is 9 E1 and E4 is equals to 16 E1. Thus, particle have energy given by E1, 4 E1, 9 E1, 16 E1 and so on. So energy is quantized because it is the multiple E1 multiple of the n square E1. Eigenvalue of the momentum is P, as we know, E is equals to P square by 2m. So Pn square is equals to 2me, and n square pi square h cut square by l square. This value is get from E is equals to half mv square divided and multiplying by m, we get m square v square, which is equals to p square, that is p is equals to mv. So we get E is equals to p square by 2m. Pn square is equals to 2me is equals to n square pi square h cut square by l square, और Pn is equals to n pi h cut by l. This momentum है वो quantized है. So because it is a multiple of the n value. Pn is directly proportional to n, inversely proportional to 1 by l, and momentum is independent of the mass. Now the 0 point energy, minimum possible energy possessed by the particle inside a box is called the point energy. जो minimum possible energy जो particle possess कर सकता है उस energy को क्या कहते हैं? 0 point energy. Energy will be minimum for n is equals to 1. So E1 is equals to pi square h cut square by 2ml square is 0 point energy. N is equals to 0 value is not allowed because for n is equals to 0 we have energy की value 0, so that wave function 0 and psi square is 0. That means जो probability है finding particle inside the box is 0, but but we consider that the particle in a box, so probability of finding a particle inside the box does not be 0, and this is a contradiction. So n is equals to 0, that is E is equals to 0 is not allowed. Now the wave function from the equation 6 we have psi x is equals to c sin kx. Put the value of k, we get c is equals to sin n pi x by l. Now the probability density p is psi x conjugate psi x, that is c star sin n pi x by l, c n pi x by l. P is equals to psi star psi, that is c square sin square n pi x by l, because c is a constant, so conjugate of c is also c. Probability between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to l is 1. it is equals to 1 because we consider that the particle in box, so the probability is 1. So P is equals to 0 to L, because the total length is between the 0 to L, so we have the limits 0 to L. Psi star psi dx is equals to 1 is equals to c square 0 to L sin square n pi x by L dx is equals to 1. When we solve it, we get c square is equals to 2 by L, or c is equals to under the root square root of 2 by L. So normalized wave function is psi is equals to root 2 by L sin n pi x by L. When we plot this function as a graph, we have x is equals to 0, x is equals to L. We get this is psi, x is equals to 0 to XL. When we put this and put the value of n is equals to 0, we get this. When we put n is equals to 1, we get this kind of wave this kind of sine function, sine graph, and amplitude of this graph is under the root 2 by L. And when we put n is equals to 2, we get the wave function psi 3, and this type of graph we got. When we plot a graph of psi square between psi square and x is equals to 0 and x is equals to L, we get this. And psi 1 square is this, because in this term jo negative term is also positive, because this is a square, and we get 3 knots of the psi 2 square. We have plotted wave function psi 1, psi 2 and psi 3, and probability density psi 1 square, psi 2 square, psi 3 square. The probability of particle being present may vary different for different quantum number, that is psi 1 square is equals to L by 2, that is this is the maximum in the middle box, एंड psi 2 स्क्वायर है वो 0 है. यहाँ पर जो पार्टिकल जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है फाइंडिंग द पार्टिकल हेयर इज़ 0. सो जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो डिफ़र कर सकती है. दस अ पार्टिकल विद लोवेस्ट एनर्जी लेवल n इज इक्वल्स टू 1 इज एंड लाइकली टू बी इन द मिडल ऑफ द बॉक्स, एंड फॉर n इज इक्वल्स टू 2 यहाँ पर तो वो है ही नहीं, वो यहाँ पर है.